are unwanted wildlife invading your home or business in Calgary. From raccoons in the attic, to squirrels in the soffits, to birds nesting under solar panels, wildlife problems can quickly turn into costly damage if left untreated. At Pest Pro Exterminator, we specialize in professional wildlife control and exclusion services designed to protect your property year-round. Wildlife animals are constantly searching for warmth, shelter, and food, especially during Calgary's harsh weather conditions. Small openings around roofs, vents, chimneys, and siding can become easy entry points for pests and wildlife. Once inside, animals can chew electrical wiring, damage insulation, contaminate areas with droppings, create foul odors, and even introduce parasites and disease risks into your property. Many homeowners don't notice the warning signs until the damage becomes severe. You may hear scratching noises in the ceiling, movement inside the walls, or discover nesting materials around your roofline or attic. That's why prevention and exclusion are the most effective long-term solutions. At Pest Pro Exterminator, we don't just remove wildlife, we help prevent them from returning. Our wildlife protection and exclusion strategies include full property inspections, identification of wildlife entry points, professional sealing and exclusion work, roof vent and chimney protection, bird-proofing and solar panel barriers, humane wildlife removal solutions, long-term prevention strategies. Every property is different, and our team creates customized solutions based on the specific wildlife activity affecting your home or business. In Calgary, common wildlife intruders include raccoons, squirrels, skunks, pigeons, mice, voles, and other nuisance animals that can cause major property damage over time. The longer wildlife remains inside your property, the more expensive the cleanup and repairs can become. Acting early can help save thousands of dollars in future damage and restoration costs. If you suspect wildlife activity around your property, don't wait until the problem gets worse. Contact Pest Pro Exterminator today for professional wildlife control and exclusion services in Calgary and surrounding areas. Protect your home, protect your family, protect your investment. Visit us online at www.pestproexterminator.ca.